If you're a research scholar or a PhD candidate, stop scrolling. This may fundamentally change how academic research gets done. A new AI system called OpenScholar has just entered the ecosystem. And unlike generic AI tools, it is purpose built for scientific literature. Here is the problem with most large language models. They sound confident, but they hallucinate citations. In academia, one fabricated reference can destroy your credibility. OpenScholar is engineered to solve exactly that. It is a retrieval augmented research model trained on tens of millions of scientific papers. So instead of guessing, it pulls evidence directly from published literature and attaches verifiable citations. Think of it less as a chatbot and more as an AI research assistant that actually shows its work. So, how is it different from ChatGPT or any LLM? ChatGPT is a general intelligence system. It is optimized for breadth. OpenScholar, on the other hand, is optimized for academic depth. It searches scholarly databases, synthesizes papers, compares findings, and produces structured literature insights grounded in real sources. For a PhD scholar, this translates into three immediate advantages. One, literature reviews. Literature reviews that used to take weeks can now get compressed into hours. Two, faster identification of research gaps, which is where real academic value is actually created. Three, dramatically, it lowers the risk of citing non existent work. So, now here is the larger implication. Tools like this have the potential to disrupt academia, well, not by replacing researchers, but by eliminating the mechanical effort. When discovery becomes faster, the competitive edge shifts from who can read more papers to who can think better. So, the baseline for scholarly productivity is about to rise. Early adopters will publish faster, iterate quicker, and operate with asymmetric leverage. And late adopters will struggle to just keep up with the pace. So, this is not just another AI tool, it is the infrastructure for the next era of research. If you're serious about academic acceleration, well, this is going to be worth your time. Save this and share this with your friends so they don't miss out.